SPX6900 is wild, and this coin does have the potential, in my opinion, to reach $1 in terms of its price. It's been parabolic over the last week. Last week it was sort of trending. This week it is definitely trending. And on the month, the growth is exponential. It is really, really good. It's about 20x, I think, maybe even more than that, probably 30 to 40x from the very, very bottom. But guys, one thing for sure is, look, we covered this coin 9 days ago when it was sitting at 19 cents. We were talking about the upside potential. So make sure you do subscribe, stay in the know, and hit the notification bell so you can be updated with things like this. So you can get in to coins that are trending like this before they actually start going up really, really high. And that's kind of what's happened with this. So $710 million market cap, $95.45 million on the volume over the last 24 hours. And we can see, of course, parabolic movement here on the market cap. Just in a week from $200 million up to $800 million. And on the month, you're looking at a $17 million market cap up to crazy levels of 800 million plus. So that is indeed over a 40x here for this coin. Can it get to that 100x, which would be absolutely insane? Which would be $1.7 billion market capital. Now, first thing we can see, Max Bid Pro, SPX 6900 is now tradable on this exchange. And just going through the SPX 6900, their Twitter, they're getting listed everywhere in places I've not even heard of or seen before. So we know that they're definitely bullish on their marketing, their exposure, their partnerships, and all that kind of stuff too. So absolutely phenomenal on the market exposure side of things. To be fair, most of it is coming through on the volume, actually through Uniswap. We can see a ton of Uniswap 24-hour volume, as opposed to the DEX volume, which is actually a lot lower. As we can see right here, most of the volume just comes through LBank. If you are looking to buy some of this, not on sort of, the DeFi side, you can use my MEXC link down below or my KSEX link, should you wish to be fully anonymous and KYC in the crypto space. So yeah, definitely looking bullish, this website right here. And effectively, it's a movement, SPX 6900, it's 6,900 traders which storm the NYSE trading floor to proclaim that 6,900 is better than 500. And as a result, we have seen this parabolic price action. Just parabolic. I don't know how else to put it. This is where the price was just literally undervalued. No one was really buying or talking about it. And then suddenly, boom, this thing has gone wild. And I guess just looking now, we do have some key areas of support that we can look at for the future. For example, if this thing crashes down to 0.19 again, I think that could be a very nice entry point. If we look at the corrective phase here versus the Fibonacci, that's perfectly aligned with the 0.7186 fib. Now, what happened last time we did have this impulse wave to the upside? Let's just look at the impulse wave first. What actually happened during this impulse? So went from 19 to 70, which was 250% increase in price. When that happened, from the top to bottom, there was a volatility wick of 50%. This is also a correction of roughly, on our retracements on the Fibonacci, roughly, the 0.6 Fibonacci, the golden pockeroony, let's call it. Now, what's recently happened from that golden pocket is a pump to the upside, a 2x, really, really strong. And let's say this is our resistance for now at the local top. We could also maybe use the same strategy where we did the swing low to swing high. We do it again. We have a look at the next potential entry zone for new people looking to maybe get into this coin. I would be looking at aiming in for a buy-in around 0.60 to 0.66 if it even happens. It might not even happen at all because we can see there's actually quite a lot of, I want to say, if you look right here at 0.69, we can see there's a lot of buying pressure there. There's a lot of decent looking resistance and support. So resistance, of course, at the top, and then support all the way down here at the 6.9 region, and then written horizontally across the 0.73 region at the same time. So yes, we have the potential to buy in down here, but will we get there? Well, that's unknown. That's definitely something we don't know right now. You can see there's a lot of horizontal support here and a lot of horizontal price action as well. Just looking at these charts, we are maybe going to be bouncing between 0.74 and also 0.90 or something like that. So that is the overall structure that we're looking at. And fingers crossed we can get some continuation with this particular coin. But it has been parabolic. Absolutely, it's been parabolic over the last few days, but it doesn't mean it can't keep going up. Now, what if it does keep going up and it breaks through its 0.91 all-time high? Although according to CoinMarketCap, it was actually less than that. It was on here. It was actually about 0.89. But hey, we're not going to argue over 2 cents. Now, Well, according to this, if we do reach our next bullish targets here, going to our 1618, 40% increase to the upside, and you can see we're looking at $1.04, and that is why I do think we can see $1 for this token. I think it's absolutely possible. We've got a billion market cap, so a $1 price tag will end up being around $1 billion of market capitalization. So how cool is that? Really, really cool token, worth taking a look at, but it might pull back over the next few days, and it might even pull back after I post this video because it is looking very euphoric and overbought on many levels. We could pull back to around 60 cents or get that major continuation. If you guys are also looking for some massive trading calls, make sure you do look at the Jacob Crypto clan down below. We've got loads of trading signals, early insights, and alpha to help you follow the smart money and make some gains in the market. You can check my Patreon down below if you want to sign up as a patron, like a becoming a crypto legend, or even a crypto champion. You're going to get signals, early alpha calls, meme calls, spot signals, leverage signals, future signals, and if you don't like none of it, we will refund you absolutely 100% fully. So the market is looking great on the day. The market is fantastic on the week, and we're feeling it. We're feeling that October now. We're starting to feel like really something brilliant is going to happen in this market, and maybe it might. Another thing I want to quickly mention, Pepe Unchained holders are asking me to update them on this again. $19.082 million raised for Pepe Unchained. I'll drop a link down below for this meme coin. If you're looking to buy it, just connect your wallet to it, convert either Ethereum or Tether directly into your Pepe tokens. We can now see we have a sneak peek of the product overview and how this will actually be looking. So we can see the product here. It's the Pepe scan, the dedicated block explorer. We've got bridging, can be done. It just looks really good. So I want to keep sharing with you guys, the deck side. There's also a Pepe Unchained decentralized exchange. You can see the Pepeans around Pepe tokens there. That is so cool. Adding liquidity, no problem at all. And then advanced analytics for market insights and more. So I'll drop a link down below for this. It is not financial advice. Don't risk more than you can afford to lose. But what a great looking ecosystem here. It's a layer 2 dedicated block explorer, fast, scalable, secure, with 8 billion tokens in its supply, and 40% are sold in the pre-sale. So I'll drop that down below for you guys. So that's about a wrap of SPX6900. This thing is pumping wild. Will it keep going up? I have no idea. It might pull back a little bit and then go up afterwards after a little pullback. That's what I would like to see happen. I would not be comfortable aping in at this current level right here. And yeah, guys, of course, if you want to become a patron, unlock time, location, financial freedom, have a look at my Patreon group down below, because spaces are absolutely limited, and you might even be the next guy or girl to have trades like this because of the group. I'll see you very soon. Bye for now and stay crypto safe. Peace.